She actually got a pigeon.
Baby pigeon, yeah? Pigeon.
One of the most notorious and dangerous monsters in the world.
Ellie.
Professor Schaefer knew nothing of the NSA's involvement. To recruit you.
Ellie, why are you so silly, hmm?
They're spearheading a deal for Cairo. The power of the two pieces were combined.
Why would I want to give a weapon like that to the NSA?
Jen. So it's a thank you for coming after things ended the way they did. I hoped that wouldn't deter you.
What's done is done, right?
Shall we?
How did you do this, Ellie? How? Such a good hunter. He's just slapping it. I think the bird has... all the feathers are getting in Eddie's mouth. Come on, Ellie. Take this bird outside. Could have a disease, but she shouldn't touch it. A lot of birds have diseases.
Ellie.
You need to quickly grab it.
Oh, sorry.
Ellie, could you... There it is. Ellie's going for her already. Straight away, she's going for her. Wow, she's really trying to get this bird. Cats don't mess around. Look. She's right there. Good chiku. Ellie, how did you catch this? Hmm? How did you catch this? I don't think that bird can fly. This is the aftermath. Don't want to get too close. Well, it looks like she got it in the end. Yep, the bird is dead now.